Here's Vision Board and Goal Tracker app, Manifest Dream and Affirmation. Bring your dreams to life with our app Vision Board, a static quote. Create a visual representation of your goals and aspirations with our intuitive, user-friendly Vision Board and Information Maker. Features include the ability to create your vision board, save it to a camera roll, set as a widget, add inspiring quotes, add images to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your board. With our new feature, create and customize beautiful affirmations that resonate with your personal style. Our app allows you to explore and discover your mood, interests, dreams, and turn them into a manifestation. Very cool. The app is going quite trendy. So let's just install it. So here you can just do like double click to install it. And then I can just open it up. So then you can see new board. You can see how many boards you have. Super easy, instantly kind of logged in. Review on the App Store. You can submit surveys. So for example, let's create a new board, iPhone screen, LG Store, Square Star. So medium widget. Choose template. So for example, you can see it like that. And then tap to add elements. Okay, so you just tap it on the right one. I don't know, it's a bit glitchy, so easier. And then you can just basically move it. So yeah, it's a bit glitchy. So for example, you can add all of this. I'm just showing you an example. And then that's your board. Then you can save it. You can add widget. You can add photos. And then you can then just see how it looks like. Yeah, the app is a bit raw. I can say it's there are a few bugs here and there, so it's not cropping the board. And then you can just read affirmation, two pilates. So then do facial treatment and then add it as a widget, and you can then add some goals for day. Then you can add some affirmations. Then you can add some widgets. And that's basically the idea. So here you can then just tap. And then, yeah, all right. So then from the app, you need to tap on it. And then you need to tap add widget. Right, so medium and then done, for example. And then here you just select it. So that's kind of the idea how you create this vision board widgets. I mean, that's the app.